Hey, it's Lisa here with your perfect solution for a quick and hearty dinner. Tonight, we're making veggie pasta. For 2 servings, you'll need 2 cups of your favorite pasta, 1 zucchini, 1 red bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and grated Parmesan. First, cook your pasta according to the package instructions. While it's boiling away, let's prepare the veggies. Slice your zucchini, bell pepper, and onion, and mince the garlic. In a large pan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and onion, sauté until they're slightly golden. Now, add your zucchini and bell pepper, season with salt and pepper. Cook until the veggies are just tender. Once your pasta is cooked and drained, add it to the pan with your veggies. Give it a good stir to combine everything, add more salt or pepper if needed. Serve it up hot with a sprinkle of Parmesan on top. Voila! A vibrant and nutritious veggie pasta dinner is served. Enjoy!